sticky. Sassy one.
Hi and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Daisy and today we have a special guest. We have our daughter Juliana. Yay!
Video with you guys.
This is her first time doing any kind of video with like slime or anything activity like this. She's been requesting it because as you know, Javi, we have Javi here. He's my son, and he made his first debut for slime like a couple years ago.
Yeah.
How old were you? Like 2?
Like 3?
Yeah. 3 or 4, I don't remember. She was barely a couple months, so she couldn't come out. But you've seen her in my videos channel, you've seen her in my videos before. So she's been like bugging that she wanted to do a slime video like her brother did. So today I have both of them, okay? So para los que no me conocen, yo me llamo Daisy y hoy les traigo un video de hacer slime súper fácil. Tengo a mis hijos, tengo a Juliana, que ella quiso hacer un video ahora, ¿verdad? ¿De qué vamos a hacer el video?
Slime.
De slime, ok. Y tengo a Javier. Javier ya ha hecho otros videos conmigo. ¿Qué es lo que vamos a hacer? ¿Qué es lo que ocupamos?
So we need glue. So we need glue. And then we need laundry detergent, like Tide or something. And then you need a plate or a bowl. A bowl works better, but we're using plates. And then you need something to mix it. And if you want to like color it, you could use these paint. You could get these at Walmart.
Okay, let's go ahead and start the slime. So we're going to start with Juliana. Juliana, and Javi, pues. You want to open your glue? And do we pour it all?
Yeah, all.
Okay, Juliana, pour it all. Actually, you'll pour a little bit more.
Like half?
Yeah, half, and then you'll give me half too. Because I have my own. Good. Like that, Javi? Así más o menos. You don't have to waste it all, babe. Right?
Can I do it?
De a poquito?
Yeah.
So little by little. All right. So we have the glue down. Is that enough?
Don't touch the glue because you'll get sticky.
Okay. Now, what are we gonna do, Juliana?
We're gonna mix it.
With what?
Laundry
detergent?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So nomás de a poquito.
Just a tiny bit.
Just a tiny bit, okay? Let's move these.
You could use your fork.
Okay, we're just gonna do a little bit, okay? And Juliana, tell us, what grade are you in?
First, I'm gonna be in 2nd grade this year, and I'm almost done with school.
Yay!
And Javi is.
Okay, so now we're gonna mix it. How about you, Javi? What grade are you in? Let us know. 4th grader. Oh my goodness, we haven't worked on your mission, remember? I just remembered.
Oh yeah. We will do this after this video.
Okay. So we're just gonna mix it, and I'm using a plastic fork because I don't like messiness. That's why I have a plastic tablecloth on my table, right, Juliana?
Yeah. And if you use like a metal thing, then it's gonna be hard to like take up the stickiness on it.
Yeah.
Okay, yo le voy a poner más pegamento porque el mío está tiene mucho detergente. No, you're fine. You just keep mixing, Juliana.
It already feels sticky.
Should I mix it with my hands or with this first?
Well, it's like really sticky right now.
Touched it. Can I wipe it on this?
Yeah, it's fine. Like, use it with your hands. Maybe your hands will be better. ¿Con las manos también? I'm just massaging it. All right, Juliana, tell us more about you then, since you wanted to be in the video.
I'm 6 years old. I'm turning 7.
Great, good for you. What do you like right now? What are you into?
I don't know, slime.
Slime? Do you like Barbie?
I only play
Roblox?
some. And
Sometimes.
with Myla.
Oh yeah, when she plays with her cousins. Say hi to her cousin.
And Roblox.
How about you, Javi? What do you like right now? Slime.
Well,
How do you feel mine? Can I add the color right now or it's too late?
It's like after.
Okay.
After.
So yo le voy a echar un poquito más glue. I think, Juliana, you should do it with your hands. I think it's gonna work better with your hands. Do it like a sopito, mira. You like it?
Yes. We're gonna have to wash our hands.
Así, ¿no? El tuyo tiene mucho glue, ¿no? Mine actually feels okay. A little bit sticky, so consistency that we need, Javi. ¿Cómo se tiene que pegar o no pegar en los dedos?
Ew.
Like,
So
¿Se pega o
sticky.
cómo?
oh, like,
Not sticky, or how do you want the slime? Should it stick to my fingers or no?
well, it could be any, but
Ugh.
like,
Would I need more detergent or more glue? Mira.
I feel like a detergent, you just need like a tiny bit, not a lot.
Okay. It's not too bad.
I
Let's
feel
help
like-
Juliana.
I have a lot of soap on my hands.
Yeah, it's okay.
This feels like soap a lot.
Now,
Well,
after you're done, no?
it's like a soap.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
I'm gonna put more glue on Juliana's. Here, you pour the glue. Go. Put the glue in here.
Like,
So you ready for summer, Juliana?
No.
You're not ready for summer?
Yeah, I'm ready for it. That was actually gonna be a
That
lot.
sounded like it farted. Okay, you wanna add your color? So Juliana, tell us what color are you gonna use? Make sure you speak up.
Obviously pink.
Pink, why? Is that your fave?
Yup.
How about you, Have?
what?
What color is your favorite color right now?
Black.
Green.
Black. But we don't have black, I think, Juliana. We're gonna mix it a little.
Oh, I got some.
Yeah, it's okay. That's part of the show, Juliana.
Getting
I'm gonna
sticky.
use yellow, and these I got from like Walmart a long time ago. Hopefully they still work. And some of them were Juliana's. I think they were gifted to her. ¿Te ayudó?
Yes.
That looks like mustard.
Mustard on
Here, pour it.
clouds. Oh, a lot?
Yeah, así, ¿no? So that you can see what color you're doing. Okay, ya, Juliana, es mucho, ¿no? Y ahora sí mix it with your spoon. I'm gonna
Almost
mix,
done.
mine looks like an egg.
Oh yeah. Mine is looking pretty good.
No, mine looks really good. Oh, yours looks good, Juliana, too. Yours looks like boogers, huh?
Ugh.
That's cool. Yours looks like the
We're gonna-
Nickelodeon slime time, remember?
One eternity later.
Okay, now with your hands, mix it with your hands.
Whoa.
How do you guys do that? That's horrible.
You have to mix it with your hands, it's easier.
Mine looks cool.
I have it in my pocket. Here, mix it. Okay. Yeah, looks better. Do you want more detergent?
Well,
Okay, we'll add more glue. I mixed mine with the pink and yellow. Put more glue. Right here. This is so messy. Papi, no, échalo acá. Poquito, poquito, poquito.
okay.
Now, this is really therapeutic, you guys.
Oh,
It's not as bad as I remember it. I think because last time we were doing it in a room, huh?
Mhm.
When you were small.
But this time we're not gonna get that messy.
No, por eso puse el de este del plástico.
That's why we put this paper.
Look at mine, you guys. Do you like mine, Juliana?
One eternity later.
Alright guys, I think this is going to be it for us. We're just going to be here this afternoon finishing getting ready for tomorrow because we work, go to school.
Oh, no.
I know, babe. It's almost done though. And yeah, I have to start making dinner, I guess. It was a pretty cool Sunday. I don't know about the weather and where you guys are from. But in California, el tiempo, it changes every day. Some days it's hot, some days it's cold. So California is just trying to get it together. I know, yours is pretty good. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. Don't forget to give us a
Thumbs up.
how? A thumbs up, a like, and a comment.
A smiley thumbs
And
up.
subscribe.
And a subscription. And a subscribe.
A smiley thumbs up.
So, como les digo, hasta aquí llegó este video. Los miro hasta la próxima. No se olviden de comentar, darnos un like y suscribirse a nuestro canal, ¿correcto? All right. Bye.
Bye.